Hello everyone, this is Veena. In today's video, we are going to see about the Article 142 of Indian Constitution. Article 142 allows the Supreme Court to pass any order necessary to do complete justice. In any case, the Supreme Court in the exercise of its jurisdiction may pass such decree or make such order as is necessary to doing complete justice in any cause or matter pending before it. Before going inside to the video, do subscribe my channel. So, what is Article 142? Article 142 provides a unique power to the Supreme Court to do complete justice between the parties. That is, where at times law or statute may not provide a remedy, the court can extend itself to put a quietus dispute in a manner which would befit the facts of the case. So now we see the Bhopal gas tragedy case. In Bhopal gas tragedy case, the Supreme Court had used 142 article in 1989 to provide relief to the thousands of people affected by Bhopal gas tragedy, applying the provision in the case called the Union Carbide case. Bhopal gas tragedy case is also known as Union Carbide case. The court had awarded compensation of $470 million to the victims, observing that to do complete justice, it could even override the parliamentary laws. Coal allocation and liquor ban. In coal allocation in 2019, this very provision was used to cancel allocation of coal blocks granted from 1993 onwards without any specific finding on the wrongdoing by those who were allotted these blocks. Liquor ban. The court had also used Article 142 in its December 2016 judgment banning the sale of alcohol within a distance of 500 meters on a national and state highways across the country. The ban was supposed to be implemented from April 1st, 2017. The reason is to curb the accidents due to drunken driving. Next, before conclusion, we can see the critical analysis. The above mentioned judgments are some important judgment wherein the Supreme Court involved Article 142, but the list does not end here. There are several judgments in the queue. When we go through the several judgments, we find that the Supreme Court tried to explain the phrase complete justice, but it is still blurred. In some judgments, it is mentioned that it could be used when the law of status is silent. However, if we analyze the judgments on the use of Article 142, it seems like it is used to fill the lacuna of the law. When we go liquor near national and state highway, we find that the said judgments has affected many hotels, bars, restaurants and liquor shop, which resulted in the unemployment of lakhs of people. Also in the coal block case, without hearing allottees, the apex court imposed a huge penalty on the owner allottees of coal blocks. It shows that while giving complete justice, the apex court ignored the judgmental rights of an individual. So the conclusion is, it is true that Article 142 had been invoked purpose of doing complete justice at large scale to the different section of the population. But the judgments passed by the apex court have created a lot of confusion and there is no clarity on invoking Article 142. The apex court could make a strict guidelines that justifies the use of Article 142 and make sure that it would be a complete justice for the society without affecting the rights of citizens. The present Attorney General of India, Mr. K.K. Venugopal, in his article in the said subject quoted the words of Justice Benjamin Cardozo, the judge is not a knight errant roaming at will in pursuit of his own ideal. Thanks for watching. If you really liked this video, please do subscribe and share my channel and do comment in the comment section what are the topics do you want in the next video. Thank you.